We start cleaning a crime scene oftentimes within a few hours of when the client calls. It really depends on the situation as well. Sometimes we get called and the scene has not been released from the police department yet. So that's a situation where we'll take the information. If we know they're going to clear the scene relatively soon, we'll maybe send a crew down and get ready to go as soon as the police leave. It just depends on if the scene has been released. If it's a homeowner versus commercial, they oftentimes will file an insurance claim. And so the insurance adjuster may want to come see the scene before we touch it. Other times they don't, and we'll just document it as we always do. So it really is just a situational thing. If it's not a crime, we can usually get in within a few hours and start cleaning.